Hello everyone, welcome to my Shogi channel. A 10-piece dwarf handicap in Shogi offers just the right level of difficulty for beginners to start learning the game. As a handicap taker, Shitate, you should skillfully use your rook and bishop to break into the handicap giver's Uwate's camp and aim for victory. The quickest way to win in a 10-piece handicap game is to make active use of your bishop in the attack. In response to Uwate's king to 4-2, Shitate plays pawn to 7-6 to make it easier to move the bishop. Uwate moves the king to 4-2 to prevent the bishop from advancing to 3-3 beforehand. But it is difficult for Uwate to defend against the bishop's attack. Since Uwate cannot move the king, the only option is to push a pawn. But moving the bishop to 6-6 is a good move. Shitate then moves the bishop to 9-3 and is able to promote it. After advancing Shitate's bishop into Uwate's camp and promoting it to a horse, keep capturing Uwate's pawns with Shitate's horse. Uwate cannot protect the pawn on h3, but moves the king to defend the pawn on 7-3. In this case, attacks the 7th file with pawn to 7-5. Since Uwate cannot move the king, the only option is to move a pawn. Shitate can win by attacking the 2nd file with pawn to 2-6, but moving the rook to 7-8, and then attacking the 7th file leads to a faster attacking. Because Shitate is attacking with both the horse and the rook, Uwate cannot defend the 7th file. Shitate successfully promotes the rook to a dragon. Since Uwate has no means of attack, Shitate should steadily corner the king using the dragon and the horse. In response to the horse's check, Uwate has no choice but to move the king to 3-4. If Uwate moves king to 2-5, after the check, dragon takes 6-4, it will result in checkmate with horse to 2-6. Shitate continues to chase the king. Uwate's king has been driven to the bottom rank and is running out of escape squares. Finally, Shitate can checkmate the king with a combination of the dragon and the horse. In this way, since Uwate has no pieces to defend with in a 10-piece handicap game, you can think of it as a good practice for Shitate to learn how to break through Uwate's camp by effectively using the rook and bishop. If you would like to review the explanation of this video, I also recommend referring to my article. I have placed the Patreon link in this video description, so please feel free to access it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next Shogi video.